In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vary formatting across sections in Microsoft Word. When you're working with long documents, such as reports, research papers, or manuals, there may be times when different parts of the document need different formatting. For example, you might want one section in portrait orientation and another in landscape, or you may want to change headers, footers, margins, or page numbering for specific parts of the document. Microsoft Word allows you to do this by dividing your document into sections and applying unique formatting to each one. To begin, open your document in Microsoft Word and navigate to the location where you want the formatting to change. This is where you will create a new section. Go to the Layout tab on the ribbon and look for the Breaks option. When you click on Breaks, you'll see several choices for section breaks. The most commonly used option is Next Page, which starts the new section on the following page. Select this option, and Word will divide your document into two separate sections. Once the section break has been inserted, you can begin applying different formatting to that part of the document. Click anywhere inside the new section where you want the changes to apply. From here, you can modify various page settings without affecting the rest of the document. For example, if you want to change the page orientation, go to the Layout tab and select Orientation, then choose either Portrait or Landscape. Because the document is now separated into sections, this change will apply only to the section you selected. You can also adjust margins for a specific section. Stay in the Layout tab and click on Margins, then choose one of the preset options or select Custom Margins to create your own settings. Again, the change will affect only the active section rather than the entire document. Headers and footers can also be customized across sections. Double-click the header or footer area of the page to open the Header and Footer tools. If you want the new section to have a different header or footer, look for the Link to Previous option and turn it off. Once the link is disabled, you can edit the header or footer independently for that section. Another common adjustment is page numbering. You can insert page numbers from the Insert tab and then format them so numbering restarts or changes style within a specific section. By using section breaks and adjusting formatting within each section, you can create complex documents with multiple layouts while keeping everything organized and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.